Hi, I'm McKenzie. I'm the co-director and behind-the-scenes editor of 100 Sneeze Men. I am 15 years old and we're from North Carolina. I worked with my friends Nicholas Gould and Ben Bridges. Nicholas is 16. He was the director and writer of the script. Ben Bridges, he is our actor. He is 15 and he was also the co-writer. I was a co-director and I was in charge of the B-roll footage, and I put together this look into the production. We used a Rode video mic with a Galaxy S7 and a U handheld rig. While it was not the perfect shooting scenario, it definitely captured audio and video, and we put it together with Premiere Pro. So without further ado, here's the look into our production, the 100 Sneeze Men.
That's the first scene of the day.
The camera rig that I talked about is displayed here. It has a shotgun mount on the top for the Rode video mic, and we used a selfie stick cell phone holder to connect it to the tripod mount on the U-rig, and then we put that on a tripod for the tripod shots. We shot in 1080p 60 and used the OIS built into my phone. In this scene here, with the running, we stabilized it with a longboard. So I was on the longboard while Nicholas pushed me, and that is how we got the shot of him running up the hill for the sneeze. We took this at a park. This was the first set piece, the first scene where he realizes his sneezing curse. It was an overcast day, so we had to use a reflector to get more light on his face. And we got a lot of weird looks, but it was worth it to get the shot.
Here we see a wild Ben. Let's get a closer look.
For the final scene where we had to burst a bag of flour, we did it in the overflow parking lot of the park. I'm very surprised that no park officials yell at us for getting the park dirty, but we were able to do that, and as well as the stroller ramming into the speed post in the parking lot of the park.
Well, everybody, all the way over there. We've hit a wrap on the set pieces. Now we gotta get rid of this flour.